my name is Anggi and welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to talk about money management tips for early stage girl boss. The first tip is to separate between you as yourself and you as your brand. Your brand only shows some part of yourself that has something to do with your business. Some part. That's the key point. You do not show everything about yourself into your business. So don't put all of your worth into your business. By separating you as yourself and you as a business owner, even though worst case scenario, your business do not grow as you expected, it doesn't mean that you are not good enough as a person. This fundamental understanding will be beneficiary for you in the long run, especially for your mental health. I know, we do not look like we are talking about money management tips, but please bear with me, we'll get there. Number 2, separating your business and personal credit card and bank account. Separating your credit card between personal credit card and business credit card will make it easier to do review in the end of the month. You can trace your expenses, especially your business expenses, and compare it with the revenue that you make from your business. By doing so, you will know exactly how is your business going from the financial perspective, such as finding your real net profit. Well, net profit is your revenue minus all of your expenses. This is a very important aspect you need to know from your business. And do not getting it all messed up, all in the one account, so you don't even know which one is the money you earn from your day job, from your salary, or which one is the money you earn from your business. By being disciplined, separating your money from your business and your personal account, while your business is growing, you can know exactly how much money that your business makes. If one day it exceeds your salary consistently, you might be able to think that it is time to leave your day job and be a full-time girl boss. There are lots of more advantages by separating your personal account and your bank account. I talk about this topic special in this video. I put it in the screen. You can check it out. Hopefully it's gonna helpful for you. The third tip, pay yourself regularly from your business. You see, at the first point, I said that you have to differentiate you as yourself and you as a business owner. You are the CEO of your business. Every CEO has salary and allowance from the company. And so do you. Decide how much money do you want to pay yourself as the CEO of your business every month. It doesn't mean that you have to pay yourself in a big amount of salary because, well, right now we are starting our business, we might don't earn a lot of money. And moreover, the money that we earn from our business, we might need to reinvest into our business. I know that. I just want you to grasp this concept that you need to pay yourself regularly from your business. What most likely is gonna happen, we assume that you already separate your personal account and your business account, is you do not pay yourself from your business because you think, I'm gonna reinvest everything I earn from my business. Okay, that's okay. But as life goes on, you realize that you need some money and I'm gonna withdraw some money from my business. It's my business anyway. So you take this little money and then once upon a time, maybe the next week, you also take out some money from your business, and then some money from your business it's adds up. And if we take it in the small chunk of money, we tend to forget how much money do we already withdrawn from our business. So from the managerial perspective, I think it will be better if you pay yourself, give yourself a salary from your business, and that's it. The rest of the money in the business account, you can use it to reinvest to your business and keep it growing. And the salary you withdrawn from your business, you just can enjoy it with no guilt because that's your salary. I make a free masterclass every week in my Facebook account, so feel free to join my Facebook account. I put the link in the description below. and you can search this in the Facebook. Feel free to join and ask your question, because I made this Facebook group as free judgment zone for us to talk about money and support each other. Also, let's get connected in Instagram for my daily update. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload the next video. Bye!